Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up an Interactive Brokers account using an easy method. First, navigate to the Interactive Brokers website and select the Open Account option. For most personal investors, choosing the individual account type is the correct path. You'll then enter your email, create a unique username, and set a secure password. Don't forget to check your email for a verification link to confirm your address. Next, you'll need to fill in your personal details. This includes your full legal name, your date of birth, and your marital status. Be sure to accurately provide your country of residence and citizenship information. You'll also need to input your tax identification number, such as a Social Security number in the United States. Finally, confirm your current mailing address and a reliable phone number for communication. Moving on, you'll provide information about your employment and financial situation. This includes your current employment status and the industry you work in. You'll also need to state your estimated annual income and your total net worth. Clearly specify your investment objectives and any prior trading experience you possess. Lastly, declare any affiliations you might have with other financial institutions, if applicable. To finalize your account setup, first choose your preferred base currency for trading. Then, select a funding method. A common choice is a bank transfer. Before submitting, carefully review all the information you've entered to ensure everything is accurate and complete. Once satisfied, electronically sign the necessary agreements and submit your application. Interactive Brokers typically processes applications within 1 to 3 business days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.